Hey, welcome to Machinery Video. This is a Cleveland mill. It's a KPV K2. It's a 9x42 table, 3 horsepower mill. And it's a nice little mill. We've been completely through it, actually. And this mill has a set of Newall readouts, DP700, and they work satisfactorily in the X and Y axis. And it has a little power feed as well. That's a nice unit variable. Just so. And everything on the mill works just good. Got a power feed on the quill, of course. And that's working right there. And it's got a nice little ratchet handle as well. I just got done saying we just replaced the clock spring on that thing, and it's got a real nice little ratchet handle that you can position anywhere you want so that you can use it just so. It's actually very nice. So this mill also has a one-shot lubrication, and it's currently hooked up 440, but this mill is ready to load out. And this mill is ready to go, and as always, thanks for viewing Machinery Video. Have a great day.